So, Kukuresh, Kutesh, that Google, Microsoft, that hackers of digitals, of the plane droppers, army killers, engines and all hackers, cyber criminals, you are all cyber guards, criminal guards under your bosses Google, Microsoft, Brownsville, Arizona, Silicon Valley or Google, Microsoft, and C, Mexican Gulf, evil criminal guards under this evil Santal boy, but you are all the representing as a crooked criminal, anti-national, badly enforcing other ways to shout and to take the name that Modi is a Hindu, honest, progressive, he has done good things, or Draupadi Murmu like Bhalgar, Kutti, Kukuri, Kutte, illiterate or Sabha. If it is they, the stupids are not remain in India, then India could have remained life saves. But it is that plan wise they are killing your bosses, Google, Microsoft, or other digital systems. हाँ स्टिकर हाँ हाँ you are in from India as abroad is an international civil, you are private, you are feeling better, you are getting fucked, you are naked, you are doing exercise in front of Raja Avatar, where you people sadar to say Mahadev Darshans. You have come Mahadev Darshan, Brahma Purush, and you are all Brahmagatinis, Gudmaranis, Chudmaranis, naked wave, your evil babies. Who is Kutte? What is your name and surname of Madachod to tell before recording was failure, but 10 minutes video. You tell that 14th August, today is 14th July, time is 8 a.m. of Indian time, we are near about maybe 7 p.m. or 9 p.m. Please, if it has, I am not been able to calculate, but Isla Prajaras, it may be 7 to 800 kilometers away from Brownsville, Texas. Elon Musk geostation space satellite. You all are Google Smart Digital Creator Officer, security provider to the digital telecommunication, etc. or other services. You are service girl in USA from India. You are naked. You are all are getting fucked or exercise or fucking in the oceans, ship devotion, international seabed, but you are a light, smart girl. This criminal is Swamitra, Rohit Ghoshes or Pal, Tujit Pal, etc. Kutte criminal, Choripata, Kotalpur, Gopinathpur, Goghat, Bardhaman, you are all spread all over Indians, girls. Maybe maximum leftist criminal who are Chudmaranis, Kuttike girls, you are shameless, fearless, oust, envious and maliciousous, Sabit barbar karna, but you are in a light form to mislead, speak smartly, you are criminal. Are you anyone in army? You are army's daughters, IPS, IAS officers' daughters, you are all private officers' daughters of India. You have brought to get fucking or enjoyment or sex coitus in C medium at the bottom. It is you are not knowing which country, which state from reverse direction of India, just down of India. You are too smart. You do not know I am Mahadev like godly presentation, my Brahma Kayame, your setup. You can count people's name or you see your setup, films, evil crimes. Have you told that it is a killer system, weather, climate changers, criminals, world terrorizing, global threats, systems, mainly captured by the Bengali evils? Which ownership, in which countries or in which ownership, private company, OPEX, Muslim companies, how these are Hindus? Are you Hindus, girls? Anyone? Later on to think, are you misled and forced Or you take revenge of these fuckers or traffickers of my elite, Rai, Chakravarti, Mukherjee, Banerjee, Gangulis, etc., Brahmin Kannas. Leaving all others before I am come at Bengal. My Bengal Sati Behulas ki girls crimes ki, and I am particularly concerned if you are Hindi girls, you are not, or South Indian or any other girls, not learning, defying, ignoring, deliberately, you smartly engage in crime, killing, weather change, etc., blaming your nation's India, Bharat Mata ki, you are claiming you are Hindu girls, but you are declared Islamic system, Musalman, new Musalman, Bengalis converted, they have kept, or what is your fault or their fault, but is all the Samitra, Rohit, Ghosh, Google, Microsoft, Browns, Villa, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Bezos, pays of telecommunications, of all world telecommunication service from this year. You are Mexican gods. I cannot increase this video's length. It's too much, but you all are of same size, maybe 20 to 40 or maybe 60 years old, different sizes, but mainly 25 to 35 years age girls or 20, because you have come US, or if you are not illiterate traffic, or to confess later on, maybe, but if you are on life under life threat, your bosses will do all these Ghoshes, evils, Dases, Mandals, Changdar, Mandal, evil Singh, Bimal, etc., criminals, Boxi, Das, Gupta, Rishi Das, Singhs, all other, Chakravartis, fraud, Ghoshes fraud, criminal. You even maybe Roy, but I am not considering you are maybe under IITs of all India, you are from ISRO girls, you are from AIMS, biological, chemicals, digital engineers, private, or you are sons, daughters of any Indian officers, army officers, then you are serving nationalities, Indians, under the criminal murderer, as I am sacked from Hindutva as a criminal terrorist Jongi. You are global evil think tank terrorist criminal. By this setup, you very much aware all crime is coordinated. Your digital creations, your numbers, participation, you are very smartest girls. Young, good looking, thin limbs, but you have been, you enjoyable girl, item girl, model girl, sex girl. You have no hesitation, fear or nationalities. But this evil Kutte is very aware of Rajya, Arja, humanity saviors, Hinduism, Indupur, or Kapur, Vishnupur ke YouTube channel, hacker, criminals, Madachots, Kutte Kukuris, ORF, Raisana dialogue, all Ravindra Sangeet or ISKCONs are teachers of Hinduism, criminals, but under the bosses of Alexandria, Dubai, Indonesians, Malaysians, where the oil countries, OPEC, as a item sex girls, Chudumaranis, Kuttis, Barbaras, savage, killers, sons and daughters, witches, murderers, climate changes, weathers, you are knowingly doing all those, not nowhere, anywhere or unaware in this date of what daring and what caring about Indian nationals, people's life who are here, but you have trapped along with innocent others, new millions here trapped, 13 billion people is maintained, if daily millions or 10 millions being killed and being brought, exactly Kumir ke bacha, criminal things all are okay in India and USA and everywhere, all girls, men, babies are counting are equal, no white girls or you are You are black Africans maybe here. You are or mainly Indian blacks, but you are brown. Your boss is semi-brown, civil Hyderabadi criminals, Khatchar, Osmania, college universities or जो भी हो Silicon Valley, but you are all private capacity. You all evils. Do you know you S. Chavez, S. Jaishankar criminals? You are Ukraine fighter, Sudan fighter, Indian IPK, or goodness service. You are army, navy officers, air force, military. You are not killer droppers or fighter engines of real armies. You are fake. You are private capacity. You are international initiated. You are not from away from India. I am not speaking from Indian surface, in which mystic, majestic place or capacity of divine design system, riding you are doing sex, coitus, exercise, Patanjali yoga, Kutti yoga, Kukuri yoga, Khanki yoga, Chudmarani, Chudribeti. You cannot learn of this language. Are you any South Indians? Is a language barrier, difficulties? I am not speaking in English or semi-Hindi, but not pure Bengali, but obviously Bengali. Chudmarani, Gudmarani, Ganamarani, Kutti, Kukuri, Draupadi Murmu, Gudmarani, Chudmarani, Santal Magi, Beddo, Kutti, Santali, Jibte ki, Kotalpur ki, Goghat ki, Arambagh ki, Bishnupur ki, Bengal ki, very much related Shibucharan, Kisku, Marandi, Hasda, Gudda, Chudda, Rahman, Guduman, Chuduman, Leftist, Chongdar, Guddar, Itor, Kukur, Kuman, Karmakar, evilest, Gurumurti, Chudumurti, Kukurmurti, Rishi Sonak, evils, blacksmith, scheduled caste. You are all scheduled caste girls. Throw above. But who are using Singh or Kshatriyas, Mahattas, Brahmin, higher class of Indians? You are anyone here? Have those surnames? Or you are altered, changes American name? You have been forced, compromised with your Indian names, Hindutva, etc. Anyone in non-Hindutva really? Any Islamic girls or other countries' girls, women, boys, anyone trapped here? You are now speechless. Or you evil idiot, mouth speaker, criminal, boss ki brotherhood, evils. What is date time of your place? Criminals? Which system? Which bosses? Is opaque. How far from Brown's village? It is not Isla Prajaras areas, Mid-Sea, Mexican Gulf, Gulf of America, Gulf of Donald, Gulf of Donald, Gulf of America, as Gulf of Mexico, Mexican Gulf. So how you were as an Indian, as a great war? It's not a Modi or Draupadi, is not a criminal terrorist keeping in dark the whole country, whole nations, all ministries, or Supreme Courts, armies, your all departments. Of which capacity of Raj doing Govinda Mantra, Kevat, truth speaker, unless all not criminals. Do you know this law or Supreme Court? You are not the rapist come arrange fuckers for others, innocent girls as a criminal babies, girls, civils, mother chod. You are Niranjana Jyoti Draupadi Murmu's grandson, daughters. You are armies, you are IPS officers, X, or your MP IDSA is a legal body, or ORF is the legal body, Raisina Dialogue Platform, Google political teachers. You are Chudmarani Patanjali Jogas, Isha Guru's betis, Ramdev Singh, Chudmarani, Rakushi civil criminals. Who are you? All these 10 millions girls are almost same Patanjali yoga like yoga you are doing in the your evening time on evening time is a deep evening, so is more than 7 p.m. So are you seeing sun? You are speechless, but your presence will be more than 10 millions. In Indians, you all Indians, you are Mexico. So what blame you have got? and duty have already informed.